Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial on this look right here. I figured this would be like my Valentine's Day makeup look. I really like how it turned out. I have like a pink rose goldy lid and just like a pink lip. I really feel like you could pair this look with a lot of different lips and even like a red lip. I think you can get away with that and it would look like really cool and really Valentine's Day-esque. So anyway, yeah, if you'd like to see how to recreate this look, then go ahead and continue to watch. Alright guys, so I'm starting out with the shade Silk Cream, which is like this really pale tan kind of color, a beige color. And I'm just kind of putting that down in the inner corner of my eye. And going in with the next shade, Sissy, which is a rose gold color. I don't know why I used a brush, because this actually works a lot better using your finger. But just putting that kind of like all over my lid. And now taking Abyss, which is just a black shade, and putting that on the outer V of my eye and blending it out. And this look is super easy. Just want to blend everything together and just make sure it's nice and seamless. And more blending into kind of like a cat eye kind of shape. Now I'm doing the eyeliner. I really messed up on this, so that's why there's not like a huge clip of me doing eyeliner, because it took me forever to fix it. But now I'm kind of making that cat eye shape even more prevalent, just blending the black part only on like the outer part of the eye, and it kind of just elongates the shape. Now I'm using the Smashbox kohl liner in black and putting that on my lower lash line and blending it out with more of that black eyeshadow. And I'm popping on some lashes. I feel like I don't ever really show you guys me putting on lashes, so here you go. And putting some mascara on to blend my lashes with the falsies. Yeah, this look is super easy, guys. Now I'm taking the Artist Couture Jackie Aina collab and putting that on my inner corner. This is the shade Le Bronze. I haven't gotten Le Peach yet. I will get that eventually. And I'm taking my broken champagne pop and putting that all over my face, my cheekbones, Cupid's bow, bridge of my nose, center of my forehead, and my chin. And then I just kind of blended it out with my foundation brush so it kind of melts into my skin. Next, I'm taking the Nabby lip liner in the shade Black Brown and the Jeffree Star liquid lipstick in the shade Delicious, I believe, which is just like a really pale purpley pink. And I'm putting on some blush. This is a MAC blush in the shade Make You Mine, and it was super pigmented. I always forget how pigmented MAC blushes are. And now I'm taking e.l.f. Lip gloss in like champagne something. I don't remember what it's called. Champagne something. And setting my face with some all-nighter from Urban Decay. And that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Alright guys, so that is it for this video. I really like how this turned out. I hope you guys do too. I tried to recreate a look that I did yesterday and I posted on Instagram. I'll show you guys right here. It didn't turn out exactly the same, but I kind of like this a little bit better. I feel like the colors are a little bit more pigmented, and I like the whole cat eye shape a little bit better than what I did yesterday. I think it's a little more flattering on my eye shape and on my face shape and stuff. But anyway, yeah, so that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you to those of you who have been continuously supporting me. I really appreciate you guys. It's been really hard to film videos here lately on YouTube, especially like having a smaller channel. They've been changing up some of their policies and everything, so it's kind of frustrating and just makes me not want to film anything. So I appreciate you guys. The love and support and stuff really helps me keep going and try to grow my channel and stuff. So yeah, with all that being said, if you're new to this channel and you've never seen me before, hit that subscribe button please, and give me a thumbs up please. It helps me out. It helps other people see my videos and stuff. So yeah, anyway, yeah, that is it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.